My dear ones, today I have to speak that child care is not only the responsibility of parents but also of others. So I think you are able to speak upon it. So first of all, I am calling Rakshit. Come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya, and today I am telling about that childcare is not only the responsibility of parents but also of others.
Hmm,
And as you all know, that a child is not a hope for of his or her parents, but he or she is also the hope for of the country and of everyone because when a child is developed he works in a company or do anything that contribute in any way to the country and and if a child is developed with good quality and he get a good success, then he or she can be an asset to the society
hmm,
also. And as you know that government is spending much money
hmm,
for education of children, and in medical also, in other things also,
hmm,
like. And there are there are government schools to provide education to poor people in India on many places,
hmm,
so that everyone can get, so that every child should get education and can be successful in life
hmm,
and can contribute to the country. And in medical government, there are many government hospitals which provide a good and free treatment to the poor people,
hmm,
to and to any people.
hmm,
And uh, and as we all know that and a child does anything in future, and so he do not do anything only for his or her parents, he does for whole country.
hmm.
Like there are doctors who who provide good treatment and helps to prevent. सर सर एक सर कोई भी पेशेंट को ठीक करने में, सर उसको क्या बोलेंगे?
Eh?
सर पेशेंट को ठीक करने में.
In treating the patient?
ओके सर, इन ट्रीटिंग द पेशेंट. एंड and there are soldiers who provide security to the whole country any without any gain for him or her. And and as well that, so this way the child care should be the responsibility of parents, and we can. And as well that there is a community we that is a teacher who teaches students, and say and provide them a right path for future. And they they and a teacher is a person who influences the child very much with his talks. And uh, and uh, there are and friends can also help. There is also a responsibility of friends also, because if if a child lives in a bad company of friends, then it is not good for him. And if the child lives in a good company of friends, it will be good for him, and he can choose the right path also. And and sir, that's it.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश बेटा. कोशिश करते रहो. Yes, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsh Yadav, and today my topic is a child care is not only responsibility of parents but also of others.
Hmm,
As we know that a child is a hope of everybody,
hmm,
because when a child does something, he does the work not only for him or his parents, but also for all the people, all the people living in the world.
mm,
Uh, and and there are not all the things uh, which which can be provided by parents. Like if a child is sick,
mm,
then parents cannot treat him.
mm,
They need to bring their child to a doctor,
mm,
and the parents cannot teach their students and make them successful by their own.
mm,
They need a teacher to teach him to teach their student.
mhm,
This is also example that child care is responsibility of
mm,
others also.
mm,
Uh, and we all know that many scientists and many scientists, soldiers, and other occupation people have sacrifices a lot of thing uh, to to their country.
mm,
Like electricity was invented, and we know that today electricity is used by uh, whole world,
mm,
and soldiers sacrifice their life for country.
mm.
So this is our responsibility to take care of them
Mm,
and their family.
mm.
That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you that child care is the responsibility of other people also, which are living in our surrounding. As we all know that in the old time, parents used to give birth to their child, and then they are sent to gurukuls, where they learnt each and everything in their life, in their each and everything which can be used, which would be used in their life.
Mm,
And as you all know that, so at that time they do something, they did something which is good for their good for all the people. Like if a person in the old time became a saint or a literate person,
mm,
so he or she would grow the village whole grow the grow the सर वो उसको व्यवस्था क्या बोलते हैं?
arrangement system.
Grow the arrangements system of the village. So here a child here a child is a hope of everyone. As we nowadays we can see that there are many children who work hard and do something which is good for all the human beings in the world. Like we can say that electricity was invented by a person, and he or she was a child of a he or she was a child of a parent. And the benefit of electricity was not only taken by his parents. The benefit of the electricity is taken the benefit of electricity has been taking up by the whole world since for a long time.
Mm,
By this way we can say that child is a responsibility of others also, because a child the things which child learn from parents are not that much beneficial for him, because as we can see that the parents love his or her child when he is ill, or
देखो
we can say.
पेरेंट्स बोला तो देर आना चाहिए ना, ध्यान से बोलो थोड़ा सा. हाँ.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Parents love their children, and don't want that their children should be their children is hurted by anyone.
Is hurt
And
hurted नहीं, तीनों
हाँ,
फॉर्म एक जैसी होती है. हाँ, ध्यान
is
से बोलो.
hurt by everyone.
हम्म,
and so they most of the times parents think about their children only.
Hmm.
But when a child goes enters in a society,
Hmm.
the society tells him how to stand in public, and how to make our own image in a society.
Hmm.
And by these moral things um, are taught by society to a child. A parents can't do anything,
Hmm.
can't do everything.
Hmm.
And as we can see that to become success, a child should be a child should be taught by a good teacher. And the parents cannot teach a child, because they are not that much capable.
Hmm.
So teachers who are also living in society
Hmm.
teach the children, and the children became a good person, and make the country powerful.
Hmm.
A child is the hope of everyone.
Hmm.
A child is the hope of everyone, because the things which the child will do will be beneficial for the whole country.
Hmm.
So in this way we can say that child care is also a responsibility of the society. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. बहुत बढ़िया. थोड़ा ध्यान से बोला करो, है ना, करेक्शन का ध्यान रखा करो थोड़ा सा. शायद थोड़ा धीरे धीरे बोलो, पर समझ गया ना मेरी बात. तेज कोमल. स्पीड चाहे कम हो तुम्हारी, फ्लो कम हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, पर करेक्ट होना चाहिए. हाँ कोमल.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Komal Bhava and I am the student of Rambad Online Intensive Classes from Batch 11. And today my topic is others are also equal responsible for child care.
हम्म.
We, we all know that parents give birth to a child, but and parents have main role to grow up a child, but everyone responsible for a grow up a child, and a child is hope of everyone, and uh, everyone everyone um, everyone grow up a child well, and uh, all people uh, have a good performance and extra efforts to grow up a child. And if people do good performance and extra efforts to grow up for their country, so that then children also see that works, and
हम्म.
a child do that time or good performance for their country and nation also.
हम्म.
And we can say that our teacher, doctors, and other people also grow up a child well. And we all know that in the government schools there is no fees for a student, and government spend money for students
हम्म.
study, and and from that government schools, children become a doctor, teacher, engineer,
हम्म.
and a good person
हम्म.
for our nation.
हम्म.
And in the in in the in the country, there are many occupations, and a phone maker, and electricity,
हम्म.
and a farmer, and and others are also responsible for the child care,
हम्म.
because from all people, children have learned many skills, and a scientist invented many things, and that things are more useful for a child also. So we can say that scientist has also a good effort to grow up a child, and our society and country all have effort to grow up a child, because in our society, if we do good work and we respect all, so a child learn all that things,
हम्म.
and all society members and our country have contribution to grow up a child.
हम्म.
And no doubt that parents give to their child basic things, but parents have limit to do their work and grow up a child, because parents don't learn all about things, and a child, from all people, they will be do best to grow up a child, and all people will be all people will be good effort for successful child,
Hmm.
and all people all people grow up a child with educationally, technically, mentally, and socially, personality, etc. And in the we all know that teachers are also responsible for the child care, because in the nursery class, they teach that how we can uh, put take a pencil in our fingers, and in the 12th class, and in our final education, all teachers have many good efforts to do to grow up a child, and a teacher and a professor also have good efforts to grow up a child, and all children have that, we can achieve our goals in our life, and all many children think that we should become a cricketer and dancer, musician, and inspiration for our nation, and we all know that in our country we have many inspirational men and women like Mahatma Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, and Mother Teresa, APJ Abdul Kalam, etc.
Hmm.
And that people are inspiration for all children, and many children choose their profession to see them, that people, and
Hmm.
all people, um, all people make mature and successful for our society, and our environment also uh, have hand to grow up a child,
Hmm.
and our neighbors also uh, very important for our life, and or other people uh, also equal responsibility for grow up a child. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा है, फ्लो बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा और ध्यान से बोलोगे तो और चीजें ठीक होंगी, है ना? ग्रामेटिकल कुछ मिस्टेक्स होती हैं, थोड़ा सा फ्लो चाहे कम करो अपना, लेकिन करेक्ट हो वो, इस बात पे थोड़ा सा फोकस करोगे आप, है ना? चाहे स्पीड कम रखो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। यस, कम ऑन अर्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshit Mora. I am the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is whether child care is only the responsibility of parents or others. Today, in my view, child care is not only the responsibility of parents; it's also the responsibility of others.
हम्म।
Because a child is a hope of a nation, and he becomes anything for the nation, for the development of nation.
हम्म।
And a parent can't do everything for his child. There, a child would need education, healthcare too, and uh, only. Only parents can't keep care of his or her child, because
अरे हिज और
as
हर
you
क्यों
can
आएगा?
see
देयर आएगा।
there, yes sir,
ध्यान
there.
नहीं रख रहे हो, बोलने से मतलब थोड़ी रखो बेटा, मुझे बार बार तीन जनों को मैं कह चुका हूँ कि थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो, तो थोड़ा सा स्पीड चाहे कम करो, लेकिन हाँ, आगे बोलो।
Okay, sir. Uh, because in this world we can see that nowadays some children are getting too bad and some are very good, and a student has to be in the among those students, and he must choose his types of friends.
हम्म।
If he chooses
bad type of friends, then he would not be able to become
शाबाश.
anything.
Hmm.
And our society also develops a child, because there are many occupations that keeps a child healthy, happy, and to lead him a happy life. As we can see that doctors help a child to keep himself healthy. And teachers are very important in this society, because parents can't teach every subject as physics, chemistry, etc. They can teach some subjects. So teachers are very important to teach a child languages, and teach him uh, teach him moral duties.
Hmm.
And and uh, uh, and there are uh, and friends are also very important for a child, because if he would have bad friends, then
Hmm.
he would be not able to be he would not be able to succeed in his life.
Hmm.
And and soldiers are very important for a child, because they protect a child from any hazardful situations. Like, as we all are living in a nation, and soldiers are at the borders, whether there is any type of situation, those are not doing anything for their parents. They are also doing for the upcoming generation, and the generation that is leading the life.
Hmm.
And neighbors are very important in this society.
Hmm.
As we can see that neighbors are more useful than sometimes more useful than friends. They can understand the feelings of their neighbors, and they can help each other.
Hmm.
And as we can see that a child is the hope of a country. So everyone is required to make him become a good citizen, and to be a asset for a nation. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. बहुत बढ़िया. ठीक है. सब लोगों का फ्लो बहुत अच्छा है. एवरीथिंग इज ओके है ना. बट माइंड द करेक्टनेस ऑफ ग्रामर. ओके. थैंक यू.